Whew, this episode of Dragon Ball Super was awesome, so let's get right to it. What up YouTube, it's your boy, Anime Specialist. So, it was a great episode of Dragon Ball Super, part 3 of Goku vs Jiren. All episode long, we got action-packed scenes, the choreography, the animation was great, one of the greatest animations that we've seen in Dragon Ball Super. I have to admit, since the first battle, Jiren vs Goku, the animation has been great, the fighting scenes has been great, so I'm glad that they're consistent in their animation and their fighting. There's only one episode left. I think it's next week or the week after that. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments down below. But Dragon Ball Super is coming to an end, at least for a while. I don't think it's gonna be over, but there's gonna be probably another series. We got kind of a full power Jiren, and the reason that he's that strong now is because he don't want what happened with him when he was a child happening again. So he kind of got a Zenkai boost. That's what the Saiyans do, but I guess Jiren got it this time. Like I said, the animation was good, the effects were even better, and I couldn't get on Crunchyroll for like 2 hours because too many people were on it, but yeah. One of the things that I like the most in this episode is the way Goku approached the fight. So he said that he was fighting not only for himself but for his friends, for his family. So it kind of reminded me of the Goku that we saw in Dragon Ball Z, the dub version one, so it reminded me of him. And you know, Jiren's answer to that was that he didn't care. He said that he doesn't need family or friends. But Goku was trying to change Jiren's point of view. It kind of reminded me of Naruto because that's what he does. In Naruto, you know, the Talk no Jutsu, that kind of reminded me of that a bit. Oh, and one last thing, Jiren tried to kill Goku's friends, and I was thinking about that, and I'm like, he was aiming for the stage, you know, so there's all the other God of Destruction, the angels, and the Kai, so he wasn't just aiming at Goku's friends, he was aiming at everyone, you know, so that was kind of interesting. I thought then Kaishi was going to intervene, or the Xenos, but nothing happened. Also, I really like this panel right there. They showed us what happened in Z with each characters of Team Universe 7. So it was the original animation, so I really liked it. Those are other shots of the episode that I really like. The animation is beautiful, the effects are beautiful. That's when Goku, after Jiren tried to kill his friends, yeah, that's amazing. Another shot that I like, it's from the same part of the episode, but it's from Jiren's how do you say that, perception, you know, so that's Goku. And yeah, I really like the animation, the view, yeah. Then right before Goku was going to eliminate Jiren from the tournament, he got the backflash of Ultra Instinct. It reminded me of when he used in Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken times 10, I think. It reminded me of this moment after the tournament. He couldn't even move. And another thing is, I don't even think he was going to eliminate Jiren. I thought he was going to give him energy. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. After that, Jiren was going to eliminate him, but who saved him? Frieza. I almost forgot about him in last episode, but Frieza saved him, and Android 17 is alive. That was definitely crazy, but I had a ninja that Android 17 wasn't dead because they never showed his face on the God pad or something like that, so I never saw his face, so I thought he was maybe still alive. So I wouldn't say that reveal was surprising, but still, it caught me a little bit off guard. But this episode of Dragon Ball Super was amazing. Let me know what you thought about this week's episode in the comments down below. I do Dragon Ball Super reviews every Saturday night till the series end, unfortunately. And I do anime reviews and anime news every week, so like, comment, and subscribe for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Anime Specialist out. Peace.